Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, I am going to discuss about conic sections previous EAMCET to TS. Approximately 10 model papers of previous EAMCET TS I am going to give in the coming videos. I am going to finish within the 1 week, dear students. So let us have a discussion. The first question here. Let A of 1 comma 2, B of 4 comma minus 4 and C of 2 comma minus 2 comma root 2 to root 2. Then the points on the parabola, if alpha and beta respectively represent the area of triangle ABC and the area of the triangle formed by the tangents at ABC to the above parabola, then the value of alpha beta. So here you have to observe one important note, dear students. In the IPE, in the first exercise of parabola, in the third bit, I think it's a question number 2 or 3. We have standard problem. The area formed by the points which are lying on the parabola. See here. Observe the figure and formula. So this is the parabola equation. Here I am considering one point A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. So join like this, you will get one triangle. So this triangle area is delta 1 I am taking. We know that 1 by 8a into mod y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. Now you got it idea, na? The area of triangle formed by the points which are lying on the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. According to this question, y square is equal to 4x. So y square is equal to 4x. Therefore 4a is equal to what? 4. So a is equal to 1. So a value 1 means 1 by 8 will come. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, dear students. Substitute in this. So y1 minus y2, 2 minus of minus 4, 6. y2 minus y3, minus 4 minus 2 root 2. y3 minus 2 root 2 minus 2. So 1 by 8, 6 into actual multiplication, minus 4 into 2 root 2 minus 8 root 2, minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is root 8 into root 8 is 8, minus will come here, minus into minus plus 4 root 2. So we can simplify 1 by 8, 6 into minus 8 root 2 plus 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2, which is equal to 1 by 8. So mod minus 24 means you can write it as 24 root 2. So 8 ones are 8 threes are, which is equal to 3 root 2. That is delta 1. So this delta 1 is denoted by alpha, the area of triangle formed by the vertices which are lying on the parabola. Second one is beta is the area of triangle formed by the tangents at the points ABC. See here, the figure will come like this, dear students. These are the parabola figure, and So this is A point. From here to here the tangent is this one. And suppose if you take the point is B here, this is also another tangent. So if you take here point C, so this area we got it now, this area of triangle. I hope you understand, dear students. These are the ABC. At ABC, you got tangents. At the tangents which are intersecting at these points P, Q and R respectively. This area is delta 2. Even example problem, dear students, how we are going to utilize this way. 1 by 16a into y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 into y3 minus y1. So 1 by 16, a value 1, no. This bracket value we got it as minus 24 root 2, no. So minus 24 root 2, within modulus it will become plus 1 by 16 into 24 root 2. So 16 and 24 which are divisible by 4. 4 6 are 4 4s are even 8 table also 8 2s are 8 3s are, dear students. So you will get 3 root 2 divided by 2. This is delta 2 and this is equal to beta also. This is area of triangle formed by the tangents at the points A, B, C respectively. So they are asking ultimately alpha into beta they are asking. Therefore alpha into beta is equal to, alpha value we got it as 3 root 2, no, into beta value 3 root 2 divided by 2, which is equal to root 2 into root 2 is 2, 3 3s are 9 into 2 divided by 2. So 9. So the answer for the given question is 9. It is there in the third option. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. It's a good question. The second question is, if x minus 2y plus k equal to 0, is a tangent to the parabola y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, then the slope of the tangent drawn at L comma K on the given parabola is. So first, what is the given line is there, no? So what is the given line? The given line is x minus 2y plus k equal to 0. Line is a tangent to the parabola they are saying. This is the parabola equation. Just rough figure. Line. Whenever, this is a tangent equation. Whenever line touching the parabola, discriminant is equal to 0. You remember that. So what discriminant? I will explain. So here, x makes subject. So 2y minus k will come. This you have to substitute in the given equation of parabola in this. In y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. So y square minus 4 times of 2y minus k minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Y square minus 8y plus 4k minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. So y square minus 4y minus 8y minus 12y plus 4k plus 8 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of y. So in quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 4k plus 8. Discriminant of this quadratic equation is 0 only, no? So how to calculate discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So since this line touching the parabola, since x minus 2y plus k equal to 0 is a tangent, then equation is correct only, no? X minus 2y plus k. Delta is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square means 144 minus 12 whole square minus 4 into a value 1, c value 4k plus 8. That implies 144 equal to 4 times of, even here also 4 take common, k plus 2. So 144 divided by 16 equal to k plus 2. 16 nines are. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 is equal to k plus 2. That implies k is equal to 7. So k value we got it, dear students. So k is equal to 7. So the point is L comma k, no? L comma 7, the point is. Is it compulsory to calculate L value? We will see that. So the given parabola is, what is that given parabola? Y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. So now we are taking the given parabola y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. Y square derivative 2y, again y derivative dy by dx, minus 4x derivative is minus 4, minus 4 into y derivative is dy by dx, constant derivative 0. That implies from these two, dy by dx take common, dy by dx, if we take out common, 2y minus 4 is equal to minus 4, we can take this at plus 4. So dy by dx is equal to 4 divided by 2y minus 4. So 2 take common and cancel, 2 by y minus 2. So slope of this line, slope at what point? M dy by dx at the point L comma 7. This is x, this is y. In this y term only there, no? 2 by y minus 2. So wherever y is there, 7 replace, 2 by 7 minus 2, which is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore slope M is equal to 2 by 5. That's what they are asking to find, dear students. Then the slope of the tangent drawn at L comma k. So 2 by 5. For the given curve, we calculated slope and we got the value of k. Yeah, we'll move on to the next question. The equation of the ellipse in the standard form, whose length of the lattice rectum is 4 and whose distance between the foci is 4 root 2 is. So the figure, I am going to draw that. This is the equation of ellipse in the standard form. This is the center. Length of lattice rectum is 4. This is called length of lattice rectum, LL dash. Given information is LL dash, length of lattice rectum, LLR, is equal to 4. That implies LLR formula 2b square by a is equal to 4. That implies 2b square is equal to 4a. That implies b square is equal to 2a. Next, whose distance between foci? This is S dash, this is S. Distance between foci is 2AE. S dash is equal to 4 root 2. Distance between foci formula 2AE equal to 4 root 2. Even this type of question in IP also important. Keep in mind, dear students. So AE is equal to 2 root 2. AE value we got it. B square we know that standard formula. B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square in the ellipse. We can write like this also. B square is equal to A square into 1 minus A square E square means AE whole square also we can write now. So in place of B square, A square minus AE whole square is equal to 2A. AE value 2 root 2. So A square minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 2A equal to 0. So that implies A square minus 2A minus 8 equal to 0. Is it possible to do that factorization? Minus 8 I want. So minus 4A plus 2A minus 8 equal to 0. So A into A minus 4 plus 2 into A minus 4. So A plus 2 into A minus 4 equal to 0. A is A minus 4 equal to 0. A is equal to 4. A plus 2 equal to 0. A is equal to minus 2 is not acceptable. Is not acceptable. Why? Because A is always greater than 0. No. So when A is equal to 4, then B square value calculate. A square anyway 16. B square is equal to A square means 16 minus AE whole square. AE value is 2 root 2 whole square. Substitute in this formula, dear students. So B square is equal to 16 minus 2 root 2 whole square is 8. B square is equal to 8. So A square value we know that, B square value we know that. Equation of the ellipse in the standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That is x square by 16 plus y square by 8 equal to 1. Once you check the options, whether it is there, not there. So LCM you take it. 16 is the LCM now. So x square plus 8 is 2y square is equal to 1. So after taking LCM, x square plus 2y square is equal to 16. It is their option in the 3, which is the required equation of ellipse. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. The value of b square in order that the foci of the hyperbola x squared by 144 minus y square by 81 equal to 1 by 25, and the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by b square equal to 1 coincide. So both the focus is foci. You can calculate. The hyperbola equation is what? X square by 144 minus y square by 81 is equal to 1 by 25. So that we can write it as x square by that 1 by 25 we are taking here. So 144 by 25 minus y square by 81 by 25 is equal to 1. So eccentricity calculate. Foci means before that foci, eccentricity is required to do that. So a square value 144 by 125. Eccentricity of this one is root over a square plus b square by a square. So root of 144 by 25 plus 81 by 25 by 144 by 25. So root over 225 by 25, here 25 cancel, 1 by 144. So 15 divided by 12, that also we can write it as 3 5s, 3 4s. So eccentricity is 5 by 4. This is EH, you can remember. Eccentricity of hyperbola, 5 by 4. Next, eccentricity of ellipse you can calculate. EE we can write it. The given equation of ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So for this eccentricity of ellipse, EH is equal to root over a square minus b square by a square is root over 16 minus b square by 16. So whenever, in order that foci of the hyperbola and ellipse are coincident, so whenever foci is coincident, then their eccentricities are equal. Keep in mind, dear students. So therefore EH is equal to EE. So EH value 5 by 4. Square root of 16 minus b square by 16. Squaring on both sides. 25 by 16 is equal to 16 minus b square by 16. So minus b square we can take this side. So plus or minus will come, no? Anyway, b square is equal to minus 9 will come. So minus 9 is not there in this, but 9 is there. Yeah, here we are getting b square value minus 9, no? So we'll see is the foci also will equate. Foci of both we can calculate. So from here we will remove that and we will so now foci of hyperbola. Foci of hyperbola is what? Foci of hyperbola S of plus or minus AE comma 0 only, no? Plus or minus A value according to this. This is A square, this is B square. A value 12 by 5 will come, no? 12 by 5 into eccentricity of this hyperbola is 5 by 4 comma 0. Therefore 5 cancel, 4 1s are 4 3s are plus or minus 3 comma 0. This is related to hyperbola. SH, focus of hyperbola. Next, foci of ellipse. SE, plus or minus AE comma 0 only, no? So plus or minus A value according to this. This is the ellipse equation. Ellipse A square, A value is 4, eccentricity value, this one is, so we can simplify more, means root 16 minus b square by 4 only will come now. So root 16 minus b square divided by 4. So here these two will be cancelled. Plus or minus root 16 minus b square, 0. So after that, foci coincident they are saying. So these two are equal. So plus or minus root 16 minus b square is equal to plus or minus 3. Plus or minus cancel, squaring on both sides. 16 minus b square is equal to 9. That implies 16 minus 9 is equal to b square. 16 minus 9 means 7. 7 is equal to b square. This is the right answer, dear students. Why? Because we have answer. Previously we got minus 9. Minus 9 is not this, 9 is here. So I hope everyone understand. We will move on to the another question. This is the standard question. If pole of the line 3x minus 16y plus 48 equal to 0 with respect to the hyperbola 9x square minus 16y square equal to 144 is alpha and beta, then alpha minus beta equal to. So here I am writing one important formula. The pole of the line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 with respect to x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is minus a square l by n comma b square m by n, dear student. So here I am calculating the values. So from the hyperbola I am converting this equation into the standard form. So x square by 9 by 144 by 9 means 16 minus y square by 16 by 9. So this is a square value, this is b square value, and the given line is 3x minus 16y plus 48 equal to 0. So compare with Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. So these values substituted in the formula, dear students. That only alpha comma beta they are taking. This is alpha, this is beta. So minus a square. What is a square value? 16 into L value 3 by n value 48. Next b square value 9 into m value minus 16 by 48. 16 1s, 16 3s. Here 3 get cancelled. 16 1s, 16 3s. 3 3s are. So minus 1 will come. Minus 3 will come, dear students. So by equating alpha comma beta is equal to minus 1 comma minus 3. Equating these two, that implies alpha equal to minus 1, beta equal to minus 3. Therefore, they are asking to find alpha minus beta. Minus 1 minus of minus 3. So minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is there in the third option, dear students. We will move on to the next question. The next question. If y equal to mx plus c is a common tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4 root kx, and the circle 2x square plus 2y square equal to k, then the product of the slopes of such common tangent is. So first what we have to write is the given line y is equal to mx plus c. The given equation of parabola y square is equal to 4 root kx. Compare with y square is equal to 4ax. A is equal to root k. Clearly we understand that now. Line touching the curve. So, and given equation of circle, 2x square plus 2y square is equal to k. X square plus y square is equal to k by 2. Still, if you want to write in the form of x square plus y square equal to r square, so root k by 2 whole square. Okay. The circle center is 0, 0 and radius r is equal to root k by 2. So the line touching the common tangent to the parabola and circle. So this is the parabola. Y square is equal to 4x. And this is the circle. This is the common tangent. Just rough figure, dear students. So this is the common tangent. So radius is equal to perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. So r value. So r is equal to d. So the line, what is the equation of tangent? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. What is a here? A value root k by m value is m only. So if you simplify this, m square x minus my plus root k equal to 0. This line touching the circle, r is equal to, so root k by 2. D means perpendicular distance from center 0, 0. So in place of x comma y 0, 0 plus root k by x coefficient whole square m square whole square plus y coefficient whole square minus m whole square. So root k by 2 root k divided by root m square whole square plus m square. So root k by root 2 is equal to root k by root m square whole square plus m square. Cross multiplying and squaring on both sides, dear students, directly. So m square whole square plus m square minus 2 equal to 0. So m square whole square plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 equal to 0. So m square into m square plus 2 minus 1 into m square minus 2 equal to 0. So m square plus 2 into m square minus 1 equal to 0. M square equal to minus 2 is not possible. So what should be possible? M square minus 1 equal to 0. M square equal to 1. M is equal to plus or minus 1. So they are asking to find the product of slopes. So in this, m1 is equal to plus 1, m2 is equal to minus 1. From here we can, plus 1 minus 1. Product of the slopes m1, m2 equal to 1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So this answer is there in the third option. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move on to the next question. If a normal to the parabola y square equal to 12x at the point 3 comma minus 6. So this is the parabola equation, y square is equal to 12x. This is the tangent equation now. This is the normal. This is normal. Tangent. Normal at what point? A of 3 comma minus 6. So first given equation of parabola y square is equal to 12x. So here 4a is equal to 12, a is equal to 3. So it's better to do the differentiation to get the slope. So differentiate with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx is equal to 12 derivative is 12 into x derivative is 1. So that implies dy by dx is equal to 12 by 2y, that is equal to 6 by y. So that implies m is equal to 6 by y. M value at a 3 comma minus 6 in place of x and y, 6 by minus 6. This is equation of tangent, slope of the tangent. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by m. So minus 1 by minus 1, which is equal to 1. Slope of normal, we got it now. Normal equation. Equation of normal. At a of 3 comma minus 6. Slope is m equal to 1 now. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus of minus 6. Normal slope 1 into x minus 3. So x minus 3 minus 6 is equal to y. So therefore y is equal to x minus 9. So y is equal to x minus 9. But this is not our required. And this equation and this equation. This normal, what is the question? Normal cuts the parabola again at the point P. At this point P. Then the equation of tangent at P is. So this equation they are asking. So we need to calculate P value. What is the P value? So solving this y is equal to x minus 9 and y square is equal to 12x. So in place of y substitute x minus 9 whole square is equal to 12x. So x square minus 18x plus 81 minus 12x equal to 0. X square minus 30x plus 81. So 30 if you want to get means 27x minus 3x. So x into x minus 27 minus 3 into x minus 27. So x minus 27 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 3, x is equal to 27. So x is equal to 3, then y value minus 6. So one point is 3 comma minus 6 is already a point. So when x is equal to 27, then y is equal to 27 minus 9. Is it 18? So therefore the other point P 27 comma 18. So this is 27 comma 18, dear students, at this tangent equation. So this is x1 y1. Slope of normal is 1. Slope of normal is 1. Slope of tangent is what? Minus 1. Slope of tangent equal to minus 1. That is equal to m. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 18 equal to m value minus 1 into x minus 27. So all these values we can take this side. So x minus 27 plus y minus 18. So x plus y minus 45 equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 45. It is there in the second option, dear students. Slowly we can do this, easy question only. Based on that, we can go that. Slowly you can. I hope you understand, you observe the figure also. We will move to the next question. Here the question is, the shortest distance from the point P of 1 comma k on the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square minus 18x plus 16y minus 11 equal to 0. So the point on the, this point P lies on this, no? So here P of 1 comma k lies on ellipse. So in the ellipse equation, wherever x comma y is there, replace with 1 comma k. So 9 plus 4k square minus 18 plus 16k minus 11 equal to 0. So 4k square plus 16k minus 18 minus 11 minus 29 minus 29 plus 9, so minus 20. So all are 4 multiples now, dividing by 4, k square plus 4k minus 5. So factorization, k square, here 5 I want to get now, plus 5k minus k. So k into k plus 5 minus 1 into k plus 5. So k plus 5 into k minus 1 equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to plus 1. So P is, P of 1 comma k is there now. It may be P of 1 comma minus 5 or P of 1 comma plus 1. So the given equation of ellipse is 9x square plus 4y square minus 18x plus 16y minus 11 equal to 0. So from these two 9, from these two 4 take common. 9 times of x square minus 2x plus 4 times of y square plus 4y is equal to 11. To make the perfect square, 9 times of x square minus 2x, we are adding and subtracting plus 1 and minus 1 is the expansion of x minus 1 whole square. 4 times of y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 11. So 9 times of x minus 1 whole square minus 9 plus 4 times of y plus 2 whole square minus 16 is equal to 11. Minus 25 we can take this side. 9 times of x minus 1 whole square plus 4 times of y plus 2 whole square equal to 11 minus 25. So 11 minus 25 means what will come here? One minute. Once you check that equation, the students, minus 18x plus 16y minus 9 minus 16. 16, 25 we can take plus 25 will come now. So 36 and I only wrote wrong. So dividing by 36, you will get x minus 1 whole square by 4. 9 fours, 4 nines, y plus 2 whole square divided by 9. This here absolutely a is less than b case. Whenever a is less than b, eccentricity for this h comma k value is h value 1, x minus h whole square plus y minus of minus 1, y minus of k value minus 2. Eccentricity root over is b square minus a square by b square. So 9 minus 4 divided by 9. So root 5 divided by 3. This is the eccentricity value. What is the need of calculating eccentricity? Here the question is, the shortest distance of a point P of 1 comma k on the ellipse to any one of its directrix. What is the equation of directrix? Equation of directrices. Y is equal to k plus or minus a by b by e. So y is equal to k plus or minus b value. What is b? B is equal to 3 by e value root 5 by 3. That k value, two cases are there, no k value. So if you simplify this, y is equal to k plus or minus 9 by root 5. So y minus k plus or minus 9 by root 5 equal to 0. This is the line. So from this, for this line, we need to calculate. So sorry, here k is what? K is equal to minus 2. No? Not this value, no? Center. This is center. K is equal to minus 2. So k plus 2 will come now, it is. So center h comma k values are 1 comma minus 2. So y plus 2 plus or minus 9 by root 5. So distance from 1 comma minus 5 point, shortest distance, that means shortest distance only, 1 to the above lines. So what will come here? This is x, this is y, no? So distance wherever, mod in place of y minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 plus or minus 9 by root 5 by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square. So minus 3 will come now. 9 by root 5 minus 3. So here plus or minus. So we may get here two possibilities are there. One is 9 by root 5. If you remove modulus plus or minus and all, 9 by root 5 minus 3, that is one distance. And 9 by root 5 plus 3, two distances are there. Similarly, you can calculate the distance from 1 comma 1 to the above lines, perpendicular distance only one. So y plus 2 plus or minus 9 by root 5, mod in place of y, 1 plus 2 plus or minus 9 by root 5. So from this, mod 3 plus or minus 9 by root 5. So you will get it as 3 plus 9 by root 5 and 3 minus 9 by root 5. So among the distances, shortest we want. Shortest means minus value will come mod 3, 9 by root 5 minus 3. Okay, the answer is 9 by root 5 minus 3, dear students. So, it's a little lengthy problem only. We need to do that. Just logically you can think that. Yeah, we'll move on to the next question, dear students. In this, a tangent drawn at the point on the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 cuts the x-axis at the point A, and if A dash be the image of the point A with respect to the line y is equal to x, then the circle with A dash as its diameter passes through the fixed point. So first, ellipse equation x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. So a square is equal to 25, that implies a is equal to 5. B square is equal to 16, that implies b is equal to 4. So after that, the point on the ellipse, the point, parametric point, you take it, the point on the ellipse. So p of theta is equal to, whenever you are solving like this questions, better to take parametric equations of tangent, normal, then it will be easy solving. So a cos theta comma b sin theta only, no? So a value, b value you have. So a value 5 cos theta, b 4 sin theta. So at this parametric point, the tangent equation, tangent drawn, tangent at p of theta, tangent at p of theta is x by a cos theta, that means a value 5, x by 5 cos theta plus y by b, y by b means 4 sin theta is equal to 1. So this equation cuts the x-axis to the point A. Equation 1 meets this ellipse cuts x-axis at A. It's A, then the ellipse figure will come like this, notice students. Suppose A will be here, A dash will be here. A and A dash, anyway it is image. Here parametric point P of theta, this is the tangent equation. So the ellipse cuts the x-axis at point A. Here you can take it, here A. And A dash be the image of the line, image of A. With respect to the line y is equal to x, then the circle A dash is the diameter. So this point is A now, this is not the point A. And A dash will be here. A, how to calculate this tangent equation meets A, then y is equal to 0. No? So y is equal to 0 if you substitute in this. So x value will come as 5 by cos theta. No? So therefore a point will be 5 by cos theta comma 0. Yeah. It meets the x-axis only, we said, no? Cuts x-axis at the point A. X-axis means major axis. So its image means this side will come. A dash is obviously minus 5 by cos theta comma 0, no? Image. Image of A is A dash. So now what happens? This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Diameter equation they are asking to find. Diameter equation. So x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So x minus 5 by cos theta, x plus 5 by cos theta plus y minus 0 into y minus 0. So here a plus b into a minus b, no? X square minus 24 by cos square theta plus y square equal to 0. That implies x square plus y square equal to 5 by cos theta whole square. So in this, what we are observing is, clearly this line is passing through the origin. This line clearly passing through the origin. It shows that passes through origin. Only this matter. So third option is the right option, students. We'll move on to the another question. I think this is the last question in our session. A logically question they're asking. The normal at this is p of theta. Simply we can write it as this is p of theta, this is q of y. So normal equation for the hyperbola. Normal equations at theta comma phi both to the hyperbola are ax by secant theta. Now secant theta means generally we will write like this now, ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. Better to write the reciprocals in terms of numerator. Ax cos theta plus by cot theta is equal to a square plus b square, and in place of theta phi also, ax cos phi plus by cos phi is equal to a square plus b square, and such that one important case is given. Theta plus pi is equal to pi by 2, and from here phi by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So the equation 1 will becomes, this is equation 1, you take it, this is equation number 2, you take it. Equation 1 implies wherever phi is there, replace with pi by 2 minus theta. So these equations will becomes and 1 comma 2 are passing through h comma k, you take it. It is passing through the dimension of point of intersection. So wherever x comma y is there, h comma k mention. So equation 1 will becomes ah cos theta plus bk cot theta is equal to a square plus b square. Equation 2 also ah sin theta. So wherever here phi is there, no, you get pi by 2 minus cos of pi by 2 minus theta, sin theta will come. Next bk tan theta, this is cot distance, equal to a square plus b square. So the relation between I want to eliminate the value of h. So this equation multiplying by cos theta, sorry, sin theta, I want to eliminate k value they are asking here, then k is equal to multiplying by sin theta, this equation multiplying by cos theta. So ah cos theta sin theta plus bk cos theta will come here, because sin theta into cot theta, a square plus b square into sin theta. Next multiplying this with ah cos theta sin theta plus bk sin theta is equal to a square plus b square into cos theta. So if you subtract one equation from other, minus minus minus, this two will be cancelled. So from this bk cos theta minus sin theta, so here a square plus b square, if you take out common here from this, sin theta minus cos theta, so here bk cos theta minus sin theta is equal to minus of a square plus b square into cos theta minus sin theta. So these values we can take this side, cos theta minus sin theta. So bk plus a square plus b square into cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 0. Conceptually good question, students. So anyway, these values will be, cos theta is not equal to sin theta. So what will be 0? bk plus a square plus b square is equal to 0. So bk equal to minus of a square plus b square. So k is equal to minus a square plus b square by b. So this is the value of k. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. So till this we finished September 9th shift 1 shift 2. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you all. Those who are watching, dear students, first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you all.